Sometimes I look up the stars and think about you. How do you do? I'm wondering, where are you now? It's been a couple hundred days since I heard from you. Oh, I long to hold you, touch you, I miss you. My heart is longing for the love of my life. Oh, I guess we'll meet again in another life. Remember the very first night we just talked from 10 to 5 about our lives under the skies. I'm wishing you alright. One thing I'm asking me tonight, do I even cross your mind? Oh, I long to hold you, touch you, I miss you. My heart is longing for the love of my life. Oh, I guess we'll meet again in another life. La 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 la
Mellow 947 BFM. Welcome to the show. This is Mellow Live. My name is Anne, and this afternoon on Mellow Live, we are getting to know an artist who has lived many musical lives, from worship songs at 9 years old to playing the flute in an orchestra to TikTok, Tarsha Records, heartbreak songs, comeback songs, and now with that song about finding that spark again. Please welcome to the Mellow studio, Zion Aguirre, ladies and gentlemen.
hello, Amelo! Thank you so much for having me. Grabe yung history na sinabi
Diba?
about me. Sabi ko,
Yeah.
wow! They got it all right!
Ganyan ako, well researched. But
Yes.
Zion, welcome to the show, and
Thank
thank
you
you
po.
so much for saying yes to this. Thank you for your time.
No, also thank you so much for having me, and thank you so much for allowing me to showcase my music
Your
here
music.
on Mellow.
Yes. And you know what? Your fans are watching you right now on Facebook Live and on TikTok Live. Ayan, that's your camera. So they are watching you right now. But for those who are listening and hearing you for the very first time, how would you introduce your sound and your music to them? Mauna na ako. You sound like our very own Sam Smith.
Well,
Sam Smith
well,
ng Pilipinas.
oh my gosh, that's a lot of pressure kasi marami pa out there who sounds like him.
Seriously,
Thank you
you
so
sound so
much.
much like Sam Smith. But how would you describe your music, or how would you introduce your sound to those who are just listening to you for the very first time?
Well, I always say that my songs are dreamy.
Dreamy.
Yes. And medyo dreamy pop yung mga kanta ko talaga. And I want my listeners to feel like they're floating or they're like in another dimension, in
Uh,
another life. Wow.
in another life,
Yes.
mala Katy Perry. But you know
Yes.
what? The perfect way nga to open the show, and ang perfect ng description mo is dreamy pop, right? And it
Yes
was
po.
a very very dreamy song. The way you opened the show today with that song, In
Thank
Another Life. Is it
you.
Another Life or In Another Life?
In another
In
life.
Another Life. Now that song, it sounds like, it talks about impossible timing, 'di ba? So para siyang para siyang confession na hindi mo lang kinanta pero binulong mo
Whoa.
siya. Binulong mo siya to someone, 'di ba? Or to a version of yourself. So I want to start there. This song, was this written for a person, or was this written for a version of you na, or a life that you once imagined but you never got to live? What is the song all about?
All right. Well, matagal naman na to, so I can
Uh,
say yes. It's about a person that
okay.
I met. Wow.
Ba?
That I met a few years
Uh,
ago, and like parang may mga tao talaga in our lives na um are just meant to pass by. And
mm.
but at the same time, since it was really that good of an experience sa buhay mo, if you're gonna have another life,
Mm.
um pipiliin mo pa rin na ma-meet yung same na tao na yon, and
Oo.
to experience the same thing, but at the same time hoping for another result to
Uh-huh.
happen in another life. Pero ayun, yun yung basically background or yung story behind the In Another Life.
Behind that song. So when you're
Yes.
singing this, there's a hopeful thought there, not really a painful thought, but more of a hopeful one.
Hopeful, but not
Okay.
anymore.
But not anymore.
Not
May
anymore.
disclaimer.
Yes. Nakamove on na po.
Baka may magalit.
Nakamove on na po ako, sorry. But yeah, it's more
But
of...
parang nag-blush ka like the flowers that are on your
Wow.
sleeve. O, diba?
Well, hopeful po talaga siya.
Mm,
If you're
mm,
gonna listen to the song, may nuance sa song
mm,
na yung lala lala part,
mm.
even though what happened was unrequited, parang hindi siya,
Unrequited love?
yes,
Okay.
or hindi siya natuloy
Uh-huh.
na love or romance, yung nuances sa music na to or sa kanta na to is yung lala lala na part
Mm.
po is like hele sa mga baby na it's okay.
Mm-mm.
It's
Mm-mm.
okay. And then yung last part is yung whistle, yung nag-whistle lang or yung pumipito sa last part. It's a nuance, meaning na
Mm.
kahit na nakakaiyak or nakakasad yung mga nangyayari, it's okay. Okay lang yan. It's part of life. Parang ganun siya. So yun
Okay.
po yung story sa bawat part nung In Another Life na song.
Right now, Zion, you are in an era where you're expressing yourself in a more authentic way, in a
Yes.
genderless way,
Yes.
your genderless self. No, when you released this track, what part of you was finally allowed to come forward?
My siguro po I'm a person kasi na hindi talaga gustong maging vulnerable sa mga
Mm,
tao,
mm.
because I don't feel really comfortable with it lalo na before, but now with
Okay.
this song, when I released this song a few years back, I
Mm.
felt like wow, na-open up ko yung sarili ko mismo,
Okay.
and I became more vulnerable sa mga listeners ko, sa mga kakilala ko, sa mga friends ko, and
Mm.
whoever na nakikinig ng kanta ko. So yun po.
Your true authentic self.
Yes,
Ayan.
yes.
We
Of
are
what
seeing it
I've
right
been
now.
through
Yeah, yeah.
before releasing the song. So yun
Okay.
po.
You know what? I want to go back in time and take a quick trip down memory lane. You started singing worship songs at 9 years old, diba? And then you
Yes.
played flute in an
Yes.
orchestra. That's so cute. Tapos, you joined songwriting contests in
Yes,
high
yes
school.
po.
So that was your journey. It's not the usual, TikTok to recording studio or recording artist story, diba?
Yes.
It's so different. So when you're looking back, what did those early musical lives teach you about yourself, about your music, about the industry?
Well, growing up as a worship leader sa simbahan, I think
Mm.
I built more soul into my singing, into how I perform, and also at the same time, parang mas naging musically inclined po ako na
Mm. Mm.
tao when it comes to the arrangements of my songs. Some of my songs, ako mismo yung gumawa, like nag-produce,
Oh, that's nice.
and all my songs are written by me at the same time.
Oh,
So, sobrang helpful
okay.
nung mga experiences ko when I was younger with what I am doing right now. And also, you've mentioned yung TikTok to recording.
Yeah, yeah. Kasi,
It's
di ba parang content creator ka eh, di ba?
yes.
That's what people have known you for
Yes.
sa simula. And
Y-
then now, as a recording artist, di ba?
Well, sa akin po, baligtad.
Mm.
Mas nauna akong nag-sign before I even blew up online.
Online. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
And hindi ko inasahan, nag-sign ako with my label.
Mm.
And then a few weeks after releasing my first song with them, which is Promise,
Mm.
nagulat ako, nag-viral ako with my kalokohan contents. You know, with my puro kalokohan siya. And
Okay.
yung brand kasi nung label ko was different. Like, was very international during that time.
Uh,
So I was really embarrassed na parang, oh my gosh, baka itakwil nila
Wait a
ako.
minute. Itong mga posts mo na nag-viral, you already posted that before you signed up or did you do them after?
After, because
After. Okay.
parang my account back then was private.
Okay.
And then my friends who were following me, which were like 3 friends.
Naging three,
Yes, 3 friends.
300,000?
They were telling me na i-public mo na yung account mo because they were really entertained by
Okay.
my videos. So,
Okay.
pinpublic ko October 3,
Okay.
2020. I will never forget that day. And when I made my account public, when I woke up, ayun, nag-viral yung isa kong video and then nagtuloy-tuloy na. And then, parang nag-message yung label. Sabi ko, oh, nung papagalitan nila ako.
Pinagalitan ka nga ba?
Hindi po. Sabi
Okay.
nila they're so proud and
Oh,
they,
that's
they
nice.
support whatever I'm doing. But at the same time, parang ang hirap din mag-transition ngayon kasi mas nakilala ko ng mga tao with
Uh-huh.
my comedy, you know.
Okay.
And now I'm doing music really full time.
Okay.
Ganon. So yun. But
So,
anyway.
hindi ka naman nahirapan. Like, because they know you for your comedy and now you want them to take your music seriously.
Yes. Hi guys. I'm a
Hindi to-
songwriter.
Hindi to joke. Seryoso
Yes,
to.
hindi to comedy. Kasi,
yeah.
when they knew me na online, and then I released Fallen, and nung nag-release na ako after, parang niloloko na nila. Like, huwag niyo naman ako lokohin. Wow. So, yun po yung naging struggle ko rin
Okay.
as a musician. Kasi, I'm really a naturally funny person. So, ayun lang yung medyo struggle na part for me. But anyway, I feel like mas dumadami na yung nagtitake seriously with my music. So, I'm grateful po sa inyong lahat.
Kasi nga naman, the way that your songs sound, they're very mellow, they're very
Yes.
soulful,
Yes.
'di ba? So parang malayong-malayo talaga siya from
Malayo.
comedy.
Yes po.
Pero pag nag-gig ka, perfect yon. You're like hitting two birds with one stone, 'di ba? May comedy factor na,
Yes.
may
Comedy
entertainment.
ba?
Okay, we just need to take a break. We got Zion joining us today on Mellow Live. We're taking a breather. Please stay with us. This is Mellow 947 BFM. Okay, we'll check.
Nagsimula sa ngitian, nang tayo'y nagkatitigan sa ilalim ng buwan na uwi sa kwentuhan ng di namamalayan. Ang oras ay tumatakbo ng pagpalayo at ako naman ay nahuhulog na sa'yo. O Diyos ko, ano ba naman ito? Pagod na ako. Ayoko na magmahal. Kung sasaktan mo lang din naman. Ayoko na magmahal. Kung kaibigan mo lang naman. Nagsimula sa tawanan, nung tayo'y nagtatampisaw sa may dalampasigan. At doon mo ko binigyan ng isang halik na di ko malilimutan. Paano ba kita malilimutan? Ang sabi mo magkaibigan lang naman, pero bakit turing mo'y parang hindi naman? O Diyos ko, ano ba naman ito? Pagod na ako, Diyos ko. Gulong-gulo ko sa iyo. Paano ba ito, Diyos ko? Pagod na ako. Ayoko na magmahal. Masasaktan lang di naman. Ayoko na magmahal. Kaibigan mo lang naman. Kaibigan mo lang naman. Kaibigan na naman. Kaibigan mo lang naman.
Still tuned in to Mellow Live right here on Mellow 947 BFM. My name is Anne, and we still got Zion Aguirre in the house.
guys.
Hello again, Zion. And you opened the second half or the second block of our show with that track called Ayoko Na.
Ayoko na.
And tama ba, you released that as a comeback song?
Yes po. Wow! I love it here.
Nagugulat ka ba? Yeah, so a comeback song. Pero I feel like as you're singing this, parang a part of you still wants to fight eh. You know, so what exactly were you tired of? Nung ginawa mo tong kantang to, nung release mo to, what were you tired of? Love? Life? Music?
Well, nung time po na to,
Nag-hiatus ka eh.
yes,
Diba? Yeah, so
nag-hiatus ako.
Oo, I read in one of your older interviews na you described or you when you talked about this song, you poured your emotions daw from your hiatus abroad into this song.
Yes.
Okay, so kwento mo sa amin yun.
Well, I took a break. I went out of the country and, kailangan ko magpahinga. I was so burnt out and a lot of things were like happening in my life before.
Mhm.
So generally, this song is a result of me being tired with my whole life. Like as in, mayroon talagang time sa buhay natin na darating tayo wherein sobrang pagod na tayo with our lives. Like we don't know what to do. We don't know what's next, what's gonna happen, or whatever. Like generally po, pagod na pagod talaga ako nung time na to. And I was alone in my apartment during that time. And sabi ko, parang para mas maging relatable at makarelate din yung ibang tao, I took the road ng love, with this song.
Okay.
But generally, if you're gonna listen to the track, maririnig nyo talaga kung gaano kapagod yung yung kanta.
Mm-mm.
Yung kung paano, ano ba, pagod na
Yeah.
ako.
Yeah.
Ganon.
Actually, the emotion as you sing yung part na ayoko na,
Yes,
'Diba?
yes.
When you created this song, did it come from that moment where you just wanted to give up, or did it come at the right moment when you decided not to give up?
Well, yung kanta po na to, it took a turn nung na-release na kasi
Mm.
parang if you're gonna listen to it, people would think na, I quit or whatever. It's actually more of parang I know now my boundaries
Mm.
and I will quit because I do not deserve this. So
Okay.
I will go another way. Parang ganun siya.
Okay.
I will pour my energy sa mga bagay na I deserve, na na I deserve, because finally
Mhm.
you become fully aware of your worth as a person.
Right.
Parang ganun po yung naging turn niya with this song, and sobrang saya ko kasi with ano to, stopping does not mean naman na parang nagko-quit ka.
Mm.
Pero
Mhm.
sometimes it's also bravery to know your boundaries,
Right.
to know your
Yeah.
limits in life. So, pagdating sa love, ganun po. Know your worth and know your boundaries.
Oh, 'di ba? Words of wisdom from Zayn Aguirre, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Your fans are watching you, 'di ba? Parang 'di ba, the comedy guy before, ito na nagbibigay ng
Yeah. Oh,
words of wisdom, mga love advice, 'di ba? But
yes.
this song was your comeback after 2 years, and people always romanticize yung a comeback, 'di ba? But the pause before the comeback is usually messy. Yung what happens before you rise up from that reason why you took a break, 'di ba? What was the hardest part of being away from music?
Oh my gosh. The hardest part is like me not being able to perform. I don't know
Mm.
why. I just really love performing. I just love going out there and singing
Mm.
to people, and I feel like it's so innate na sa akin. And
Mm.
sabi ko sa manager ko, mamamatay ata ako if I don't do music, if I don't
Okay.
perform.
Okay.
I feel like I was born to sing talaga.
Young,
So,
I mean,
yun.
9 years old ka pa lang, 'di
Yes
ba?
po,
You started
yes.
with these worship songs.
Yes.
And then we were talking about it off air. Now you still play the flute.
Yes, I
Amazing.
still do play the flute.
Yeah, so in your future songs, i-incorporate mo 'yan.
Yes.
Maglalagyan mo ng flute part, 'di
Noted.
ba?
Tandaan nyo yan,
Uh,
guys.
oh, narinig niyo yan here on Mellow 947
Yes.
BFM first, no? So during your hiatus, you never came to a point where you said to yourself, na, maybe this isn't for me. Because you were always looking for, that thrill of performing live.
Well, naisip ko rin po.
Ah, okay.
May
Okay.
dumadating din may mga times din na naisip ko or napapaisip ko na parang, oh my
Mm,
gosh, is this for me? And that happens to a lot of people
that's
out
true.
there.
Mm-mm.
Um, Tandaan nyo, hindi lang kayo ang nakaka-experience niyan. Marami tayo. So, do not ever feel super pressured
Mm-mm.
in life because, everyone's living their first life. So, we're all living our first life here. And we're trying to get by.
Yeah.
So, yun yung pinaka-importante lang talaga is to get by the day. Alam mo yun? And um, wag nating i-compare. Yun yung natutunan ko,
Mm, mm.
to not compare yourself to other people's journey because your journey is very different
Different.
and
Yeah,
the one and only journey in the world.
that's
So,
true.
ayun, focus on your path. Focus on your journey. Habang wala pang nangyayari, improve on
Right.
yourself, invest in yourself, love yourself.
Mm.
Yun. Because people will see, people will appreciate that. So, yeah.
And we were talking about this off air na, yun nga, what do you call this? Yung mga pinopost mo before, people knew you for your comedy. You came from being known online, yung mga vlogs mo,
Yes.
yung long hair content mo,
Yes.
right? And everything to these songs, particularly that song that you just sang, yung Ayoko Na, which feels like a serious emotional reset, diba? From comedy to something as serious as this. Do you ever feel na people underestimate you because ito nga yung pagkakilala nila sa iyo before, like a comedy guy online, and then now doing serious stuff. Do you feel like parang na underestimate ka because of that?
Honestly po, parang for me, if ever I do not feel that.
Mm,
Uh,
mm.
but what I feel is parang hindi nila alam kung seseryosohin ba nila yung music ko or hindi. Seryosohin nyo kasi seryoso na ako. But yeah, yun po yung nafe-feel ko. But
Okay.
if there are people out there who may, underestimate my music and my talent, I feel like hindi ako na na-affect or hindi ko siya wala siya for me kasi
Okay.
parang sobrang ang dami ko ng pinagdaanan, guys. So,
This is
parang
nothing new to me.
yes, parang
Yeah.
feeling ko
Okay.
kapag in-underestimate ako, parang I think I know my talent. And
And they just need to discover your music. They just
yes,
need to
so
discover your songs. Yeah.
exactly like what she said. I like what she said. So, yun lang po talaga. I really pray and hope na
Mm.
I find the right listeners. Kasi yun lang naman talaga ang kulang.
Oh, and
Like,
that's why you're here. That's why you're
yes,
singing
hello
here for
everyone.
our listeners and your fans who are watching you on Facebook Live and TikTok Live. I wanted to go back on what you mentioned a while ago. Now, you write your songs,
Yes.
all of your songs.
Yes.
Wow, that is amazing.
All my
Are
songs po.
these from personal experiences, most of them, or you're the type who chases inspiration?
Well, most of my songs na na-release na are from personal experiences. Pero,
Okay.
meron din ibang song na hango. Hango?
Hango? Wow,
Wow!
ang lalim
Hango!
nun.
With this look, hango. But like, yun, inspired siya sa stories naman ng ibang tao rin.
Okay.
So, like my friends or what. Sorry sa mga friends ko. But yeah, inspired siya sa iba't ibang kwento
What do you
rin.
enjoy singing or writing about the most? Love, heartbreak, self-discovery, hope?
Well, for me, I think very, very magandang magsulat about hope, but it's hard.
Mm.
It's hard
Why do you
without,
say it's hard?
well, sonically speaking,
Okay.
parang if you're gonna write about a song about hope nga,
Mm.
parang medyo may linya na parang hindi siya magtunog generic. Parang ganon. Or
Okay.
dapat magtunog ano pa rin siya, authentic
Akala ko
sa'yo.
for you, akala ko when you said it's hard, it's because baka nahihirapan ka to find, hope within you.
No
No
naman.
naman.
No naman po.
So I had to ask, like, why is it
Yes.
hard?
Yes.
Okay.
Sonically speaking lang
Mm,
po.
mm.
Kasi may na tinatry ko pero nagsa-sound siya as like an ad
Oo.
song. Alam niyo po yun? Parang
Yeah. I
nagiging
get you. I get
baka
you.
maging tunog jingle.
Yeah.
like
Or
kanta
baka
ng
masyadong
commercial.
kasi when you go beyond that line, it may sound too inspirational, parang
Yes,
ganon, 'di ba?
yes.
Yeah.
So, medyo mahirap. Medyo. It's not, impossible. Kaya naman siya, pero medyo mas mahirap siya. Kasi yung love na mga songs,
Mm.
medyo gamay na ng mga songwriters yan dito sa
Right.
Pinas.
Yes,
So,
yes.
alam na nila kung ano yung direction, ano yung tono, ano yung melody that will capture the message.
Mhm.
So, ayun, medyo mahirap yung sa hopeful songs banda. So, yun. I have one, which is Ikaw at Ako Hanggang Dulo. So,
Okay.
yun. Yun po.
And we will be talking to Zion Aguirre again in a bit because we have to take a breather. Sumusobra na naman ulit tayo sa umahaba na naman ang usapan natin. Mag-overtime na naman ako. But we will just take a break. Be right back. Mellow Live right here on Mellow 947 BFM. Don't go away. Mellow 947 BFM. You're still tuned in to Mellow Live. I'm your host. My name is Anne, and we still got Zion Aguirre in the house.
Hello,
Zion!
guys.
Oh, di ba? Dumaan lang yung isang oras nang parang wala lang.
Yes.
Can you believe it? Magtatapos na yung show natin, the interview. But I love the sequence that we had. You started with In Another Life.
Yes.
Tapos sinundan mo nung Ayoko Na, which was so emotional, di ba? And then you're gonna end later with a song called Mahiwaga. We're gonna be talking about that song in a bit. Pero it feels like parang may storya yung mga
Yung line
kanta
up
mo.
today.
Did you do that intentionally?
No
Ladies
po.
and gentlemen, siya po ang nagbigay ng line up ng songs.
Yes, hindi ko alam na magiging ganun pala. May magkakaroon ng magandang flow. So, yeah. Wala po. Hindi po siya intentional. But isipin niyo na lang intentional para matalino ako. Yes.
Oh, di ba? Para mahiwaga ka
Yes.
to our listeners. But Mahiwaga was described as a dreamy anthem about crush or a
Yes.
happy crush, right? And you wrote this, of course. You wrote all your
Yes.
songs. So what was the story behind this? Sinong crush mo?
Wow! We start with that. No,
Sino yung crush mo?
when I wrote this song, wala po. As in wala.
Okay,
Pero
okay.
ngayon meron. Kasi
Nanonood ba?
hindi naman po ata. Pero, hello. Marami akong crush ngayon. Marami pala. But, hindi naman mawawala yung mga happy crush. And that's
Okay.
really the message of the song. Parang, kumbaga, I wrote this nang bored lang ako sa kitchen. And sabi ko, kasi ang mga nasusulat ko na very mabigat, very ayoko na.
Oo.
'Di ba puro po ganon. And sabi ko, I wanna write a light song, you know, na magpapakilig sa akin, na kapag pinakinggan ko sa umaga, good vibes ako for the rest of the day. And this is that song, which is
Okay.
Mahiwaga, and it's about a happy crush, pampakilig, but at the same time, it's not expecting anything from a person because the person is just a happy crush. Kumbaga, it doesn't matter if that person likes you or not as long as you like them. So, yun. Kapag nakikita nyo sila, tutugtugtong mahiwaga. Yes.
So
Ganon.
for them, parang ano lang sila, mahiwagang being.
Yes.
Diba? Your crush, ganyan.
Yes.
So what makes someone mahiwaga to you?
Exactly why mahiwaga. Because, ano bang meron sila? Bakit nako
You can't
napapangiti?
explain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why is it so mahiwaga? Like, mahiwaga kasi is very, anong ibig sabihin niya for you guys? Like, very hindi
Like
mo
wonder,
alam. Yes,
diba?
may
Like,
wonder
yes.
behind it. Kumbaga, parang bakit pag nakikita ko nung tao na to, napapangiti ako, which is mahiwaga. Which is a very mahiwaga experience. That's why
okay.
I wrote that's why I called it Mahiwaga rin. So ayun po.
And that's exactly what you're feeling right now do sa crush mo na ngayon. Kasi nung sinulat mo yun, wala kang crush. Ngayon sabi mo meron. No?
Yes.
So mahiwaga yung
Yes,
person.
mahiwaga. So,
Okay, so to
yeah.
that crush watching on Facebook Live or TikTok Live, malalaman ba niya na siya yun?
Hindi naman po.
Ay, hindi.
Hindi.
Ay, ano naman
Hindi
yun?
po kami magkakilala eh.
Ay, seryoso ba?
Hindi.
Ah,
Nakikita
okay.
ko lang siya sa feed ko. Exactly. Mahiwaga. Kasi parang, wow,
Parang
nakikita.
ganyan-ganyan din yung crush ko sa BTS.
Yeah, parang mga ganon.
Di ba?
Parang why?
Hindi nila ako kilala.
Parang,
Hindi ko sila ma-invite sa Mellow Live.
pero we have like mutual friends. We have
Oh.
mutual friends.
Eh, yun naman pala, Zion.
Pero ano po kasi, pero ako kasi wala akong pake. Like, okay lang sa akin na from there lang, ganun.
Okay.
And like, napapangiti ka lang, which is, yun nga, mahiwaga. So, alam ko, marami din kasing tao na merong mga mahiwaga sa life nila. So,
Mm.
yun. And also, at the same time, it's not just like a person din naman. It's an
Yeah.
experience. You know, when you go to the beach, you know, you
When you see
feel,
the sunset.
yes,
Oh,
a
mahiwaga din
very
yun.
beautiful
Yeah.
sunset.
Yeah.
That's a mahiwaga feeling. Siguro pag nagkape kayo sa Tagaytay ng ma-foggy
Mahiwaga
with the
din yun.
view of the
Baka
Taal.
may makita kang mahiwaga dahil foggy.
Well, pwede rin. So,
Alam mo kung saan na napupunta itong usapan natin, Zion.
kasi mahiwaga naman talaga. So, I think
You know what? Life itself is mahiwaga.
yes.
Diba? When you think about it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Totoo po. And meron ding nakapagsabi na sahod is also mahiwaga feeling.
Ah, true. Minsan,
Diba?
minsan invisible.
Minsan invisible.
Minsan invisible, minsan magaan.
Or minsan nawawala agad.
Oo. True. Like smoke.
Yes.
Ang gulo natin, Zion.
Okay, sorry
But,
po.
but your songs, move from so many emotions, impossible love, to emotional exhaustion, to this, happy crush, diba? So tell us, where is Zion now? Are you healed, or still chasing that hiwaga in your life?
Well, I can proudly say thank God. Thank you, Jesus. Kasi I'm healed. I'm healed and I am experiencing mahiwaga in life. Not just sa mga crush, okay? Pero I'm experiencing mahiwaga in my life in general. And I thank God kasi uh, feeling ko ang hirap-hirap at this day and age to experience hiwaga in life. I'm not just promoting, guys, but like talagang I as at this age I always wanna experience hiwaga in
Okay.
my life. Kumbaga, I want peace. Hence me just staying in our house in Cavite and not living not
In the
living
city?
in the city.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
I choose peace, you know.
Mm.
I will always choose to go sa field, alam mo
Right,
yon, and
yeah.
have my iced coffee there
Yeah.
with a friend, you know, and live a very simple life. And that for me is mahiwaga po talaga. And ayun, and whatever your hiwaga in life is, kung ano yung definition nyo, kung ano yung mahiwaga in life, always choose that. Yun.
And that's really wonderful, because coming from so many experiences that you've had, and you even had a break, diba? You had this hiatus. You stayed away from music, and then you did a comeback. So, ang dami mo na experience that makes you, or that gives you a deeper appreciation of what you have. Diba? Of your
Yes.
life, of what you have achieved in your career, in terms of your career, your music, diba? So, kumbaga parang mas na-appreciate mo siya now kasi ang dami mong pinagdaanan, diba?
Well, thank you so much for saying that because I'm reminded. Yes, kasi parang sobrang lala din ng expectation ng mga tao. Lalo na ngayon, parang sa mga lalo na sa mga artist, kumbaga we have, like, I'll just give like a generic example.
Sige.
Let's say Katy Perry or Lizzo or even our Filipino artists, ang dami-raming expectations ng mga tao from artists, and I feel like parang nako-cover siya ng kung ano na ba talaga yung na-achieve ko in life. Nakakalimutan minsan natin na, uy, malayo na yung narating natin. But malayo pa, pero malayo na rin yung
Yeah.
na-achieve natin.
Yeah.
And we should always be reminded of that. Kasi nakakawala minsan sa track when you focus on what's not yet there.
That's so true.
So,
Yeah.
parang natutunan ko rin na to focus on what you have now. You know, what you have achieved now. So, ayun po.
And you have achieved so much.
Yes, thank God.
Congratulations to
Yes.
you, Zion Aguirre. What is next for you? What do your fans, or what can your fans expect from Zion Aguirre in the near future? New songs, album coming out real soon?
Yes. Well, kaya po I am encouraging everyone who's watching or listening right now to
Mm,
please support my music releases ngayon kasi I am working on a full-length album
mm,
to be released soon, and talagang we are putting a lot of thought kung paano ba yung story ng buong album. It's a
mm.
body of work and it's not easy to really do this, pero this is our passion and I hope ma-appreciate nyo siya when it releases. So ayun, and a few weeks ago or
Mm.
last month pala, I performed one unreleased song from the album, and so far sobrang ganda ng reception with this
Mm.
song also. So ayun po, sana supportahan niyo po ako, Zion Aguirre, singer and songwriter. So, gusto ko lang i-emphasize yun. Yes.
Just in case, they might still remember you as someone who does
Yes.
funny content
Yes.
online. He
Yeah.
is a serious
Singer
singer
and
songwriter.
songwriter.
Yeah, with all of his heart and soul in his music. You can
Yes.
actually hear it, and they can stream your songs on streaming platforms. Yes.
Yes, you
Mm.
guys could stream my song, especially my newest release, excuse me. My newest release, Mahiwaga, on Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube also. May music video din po ang Mahiwaga that you can watch, starring Fred Moser and Kanata Tapia. Almost 50K views na siya. So
Wow.
go stream it, and also stream on Spotify, and follow nyo na ako for my future releases. So yun po.
There you go. Thank you so much, Zion Aguirre,
Thank you
ladies
so
and
much,
gentlemen.
Mello.
Thank you for your time. And we would like to thank everyone who joined us on Facebook Live, on TikTok Live, those listening on their radios. Thank you so much for joining us today. Again, Mellow Live happens every Thursday at 3 p.m. with yours truly. My name is Anne. We got different artists every week. And for today, Zion Aguirre, ladies and gentlemen, wonderful conversation with you, Zion.
Yes, I had fun. I enjoyed the conversation.
Ah,
But
di ba
thank
pang
you.
Miss Universe?
Yes.
But we are closing the show with his song called Mahiwaga. Once again, Zion Aguirre right here on Mellow Live on Mellow 947 BFM.
May araw bang di ka dumaan sa isip kong ikaw lang ang laman, o dito ka na lang? Hay, meron ka na kayang minamahal, kasi ito ako'y nag-aabang lang na maging tayo na lang. Mahiwaga, isang tingin mo'y nangihina. Ano ba ang gayon? Bakit di ako makawala sa iyong mga mata? Kay bilis tumakbo ng panahon, hanggang pasuyap-suyap lang noon. Kilala mo na ngayon. Ay, nakita kita may kasamang iba. Napapaisip kung kayo na ba? Sana wag naman. Oh,